Okay, so I broke. I tried to be clever and tried to disconnect the oil cooler for the transmission line, and well, it broke. And these lines are €1,000 each from Volkswagen. That's with discount. But anyway, this is the transmission line that goes into the transmission end. It goes up to there. Sorry about the bad light. I'm using my headlight here, and it goes to here. Now I've cut these lines off. They go like that. I've got rid of them, right? And I'm gonna, not a lot of people know this, not a lot of mechanics know this, but I went to a place that sells hydraulic hoses, and I got these fittings. They're absolutely wonderful. They're really high quality, and basically what you do is you put the nut on there. This is the olive. That goes like that. Just double check that's the right one. Yep, that's correct. And that goes on there like that. So I'm going to tighten these up. I can't hold the camera because I haven't got a stand, but I'm going to put this one on there, and then at least I can put this back on, because this is, at least I can put the transmission lines back on, because as you can see, the transmission is out. Transmission and engine is out the engine, out of the vehicle, and so this is what it looks like with the transmission out. I've bought a new hood cable, so I'm going to change that while there's a bit more room. But yeah, there's a lot of room under there now with the engine removed, isn't there? So that bolts, the transmission lines bolt into there, and they go under here, and they come out of this end here, in and around this area, and that's where the oil cooler's in and around here. And I'm going to put a universal one on it because I broke it. And yeah, deep down I always wanted to be able to fix these lines, and so that's it. I'll do another video later, but that's just wanted to share that with you. All right then, bye.